Hi, Mac. How are you? Come into my office. Come on in and have a seat.
Hi.
What brings you in today?
Well, I keep in trouble by the teacher, and she sent me over here because I'm not listening to what she's saying.
Okay. Before we go any further, let me just go over our confidentiality terms. Everything you say in here will be completely confidential between you and I, and there is limitations to that confidentiality. However, in the instance if I feel that you are of harm to yourself or of harm to somebody else, or if somebody is harming you, in which case I would be mandated to report that. Otherwise, I want you to feel comfortable and be able to talk to me openly. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. So, so you've been having trouble in school, and your grades have been dropping. So, what's your best hope for our meeting today? What do you want to get out of this?
I'm hoping to start listening to the teacher and see if maybe there's a start doing my homework.
Yeah, well, that's such a great goal that you have set for yourself. It's a big step that you can acknowledge that we need to make that change. So, let me ask you a question. If a miracle happened when you woke up and your problem was solved, what would be the first sign that this miracle has occurred?
That I'm not in classes.
Well, what would you be doing differently to make this happen?
Probably doing my homework.
Okay, that's a good step. Doing your homework. Who do you think would notice this change in you?
Probably my
Yeah, your teachers. Okay, so I see that you want to, do your homework more and start improving your grades. I think that's a great first step. Turning in your assignments will help with that immensely. So we can start with that. Um, Let me just ask you another question. On a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being the worst your problem has ever been and 10 being the best, where do you think you are?
probably at
I'm sorry?
a 3.
Out of 3. What can we do today to get you to that 4?
Maybe help me turn in one assignment.
Turn in one assignment. That's something we can do. Um, what what would you do if when you turn in your assignments, if something gets in the way of your goal, if it's not going the way that you want? What do you think you're going to do if you start doing your homework and your grades are still not improving? What would you do then?
I don't know.
Okay, well, maybe we can start with turning in your homework assignments, and if it's that you feel that you just by turning them in that will improve, then we can start with that. If you feel that maybe you don't have a good understanding of the topics being covered, or you need more help, then we can seek possibly tutoring on campus. Maybe we can do it a couple times a week if you need that. Is that something that you might want to do?
Yeah, that sounds good.
And as far as your relationship with your teacher, do you feel like that would improve if you just started turning in your assignments, or do you feel that there's more complications?
No, it would be fine. I think better.
Okay, that sounds good. It's a really good goal that you have, and I'm glad that you're taking that first step to solve that problem. Um, is there anything else that I need to know to help you today?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing is we're going to set up like a tutoring session for you. That's kind of a tutoring slash homework study time, to where you have that time set aside, maybe once or twice a week to do that and to get your assignments caught up. Because if you're falling behind, I'm sure you have some to catch up on, and I want you to have that extra time. Would you be available to do that after school twice a week?
Yeah.
Okay, and then with that, I'm going to set up a follow-up appointment for you and I as well, just to see how you're doing. Can I check in with you maybe next Monday?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, well, sounds good. And thank you so much for coming in today. If there's anything else you need, come back and see me.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, my name is Mrs. Montes. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Mac.
Hi, Matt. What brings you in today?
Well, I've been having trouble in classes. I've been kind of breaking the rules, and I'm failing my classes, and My teacher's not very happy with me.
Okay, can I have you take a seat? And it sounds like you're having trouble with your classes and, behavior wise. I just like to go over confidentiality with you, if that's okay. So anything that you and I discuss here in my office will be kept confidential, only shared between you and I, unless I feel that you are harming yourself or harming others. Will you be okay with that? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So you're telling me that you're having trouble with your grades and following the school rules. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your best hope from our meeting today?
Well, I wanna start improving my grades, and I'm following class rules, so I'm not getting in trouble so much.
Okay. That's good that you're coming in here and wanting to better yourself. I'm proud of you for doing that. But I have a question for you. So if a miracle happened and you woke up and your problem was solved, what would be the first sign that this miracle has occurred?
I guess I'd be getting better grades, and I wouldn't be failing my classes.
Okay. Would there be anything that you'd be doing differently?
I'd probably be following the rules more and doing my homework more.
Okay. Is there? I just have another question. Since you're saying that you'd probably be following the rules more, is there something that makes you not want to follow the rules, or?
I don't know. I guess I've just been having a tough time lately, so I've been kind of just having a hard time at school and not really caring as much. But I'm trying to change that.
When you say you're having a hard time, are you having a hard time with maybe friends, or is it in class?
I think it's like with my homework. Maybe I'm not really understanding everything, and I just haven't really done it.
Okay, thank you for sharing that with me. Gosh, I have another question for you. So, on a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being your worst problem has ever been, and 10 being problem is gone, what number would you say you're at now?
I'm probably at like a 2, pretty low.
Right.
I'm failing my classes, and so it's not very good.
Okay, and when you are one number higher, what do you think you'll be doing differently?
Well, I'll be turning in my homework assignments and paying more attention in class.
Okay, and do you think there's going to be anything that maybe will get in the way of you achieving your goal?
Well, I'm pretty behind, so maybe if the teacher doesn't let me make up the assignments, that could get in the way.
Okay, and so when you tell me that you're pretty behind, how do you feel about me maybe talking with your teacher to see if there's a plan that maybe we can work out so that we can get you caught up and maybe get a better understanding of what's going on? How about that?
Yeah, I think that would be good because I'm pretty behind and I don't want her to not let me catch up.
Okay, so is there anything else that I need to know to be able to help you?
No, I think that's it.
Okay, well, thank you for coming in here. I really appreciate you coming in here and taking the first step to, improve your grade and your behavior. I do want to, after we meet, I want to talk to your teachers and see, what's going on, and maybe if we can get you a little help, maybe after school. How do you feel about a tutor?
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to them and set something up. How do you feel about coming in maybe next week? And we can go over the information that I've gathered, and then see where you're at regarding your behavior, and maybe we'll set up a plan to see if you can stay after school and what days work best for you.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so again, thank you for coming in. I appreciate you taking the first step. So,
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, how are you? Come on in, have a seat. My name is Mrs. Gomez. What's your name?
I'm Laura.
Hi, Laura. Come on in. So what can I help you today with?
I'm here because I keep getting in trouble in class. I'm not following the rules, and my grades are falling behind.
Okay. So before we get started, Laura, before you start telling me the story, first I want to tell you that everything you do say will be kept confidential between you and I. However, there will be 3 rules that I will have to break the confidentiality. And that would be if I see that you're hurting someone, someone's hurting you or you want to hurt someone else. Is that okay?
That's okay.
Okay. So keep telling me. So you're breaking the rules, you're not following, and your grades are falling behind. So what is going on there? Why you're not following the rules, or why are your grades falling behind?
I really don't have a good excuse as to why I'm not following the rules. I'm just not following the rules. And homework's kind of hard and it's kind of a chore, so I just don't want to do it.
Oh, so you just like not to do it.
Yeah.
You don't understand the material that's being taught?
Some of it. Some of it I get, and some of it's kind of hard.
Oh, okay. So let me ask you a question. So if a miracle happened, and when you woke up, the problem was solved, what would be the first sign of this miracle happening, or this miracle has occurred?
Or I probably wouldn't be getting in trouble and being sent to detention and turning in my homework.
And what would you be doing differently to avoid all
Behaving and being a better student.
And who do you notice this change in you if this miracle happened?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
And who do you think would notice this change in you if this miracle happened?
My teachers for sure.
Okay, so let me tell you that from a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being the least, 10 being the highest, how does that make you feel?
Like a 3.
A 3? And what can I do to get you to a 4?
I think I can start by behaving.
Okay.
And trying my homework, trying to turn it in.
Okay. So your goal is to turn in your homework and to start behaving. And what do you think can stop you or get in the way of doing this goal?
Maybe if I'm influenced by my friends to do something to get me in trouble.
Okay. So before we go on, do you think is there anything else I need to know in order for me to better help you?
No, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so why don't we do this first so I can help you? So want to turn in your homework, you want to improve your grades, and you want to behave. It seems like you're gonna want to start hanging around with friends. So what I can do is we can set up a meeting. So we can, start seeing. Are you willing to go to tutoring, after school programs?
Yeah.
Okay, then that will also help you to do your homework, improve your grades, and then how do you feel about me speaking to your teachers about maybe giving you that extra help class so you can understand the assignment? And then maybe, progressing, moving up a little more by more with your assignment.
I'd actually like that because I feel like I can't talk to them myself. Okay,
perfect. So then I will give you a call maybe within 2 days on Wednesday, and then we'll follow up with that, and then we'll see about your schedule, the days that you can make it, and then we'll see what your teachers say. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you for coming in, Laura, and then I'll give you a call in a few days.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.